In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create URL redirects in Wix. If you're working on your website and need to guide your visitors from one page to another, setting up URL redirects is a great way to ensure they end up in the right place. This is especially useful if you've moved content or updated your site structure. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have access to the site you want to work on. Once you're on your dashboard, head over to the SEO Tools section. This can usually be found on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see an option that says URL Redirect Manager. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on the URL Redirect Manager will take you to a new page. Here, you have the ability to create new redirects. You'll want to select the option that says Create New Redirect. Doing this will open a form with some fields for you to fill out. You'll first see a field labeled Old URL. In this box, you enter the original URL that you want to redirect from. It's important to make sure you type this in exactly as it appears on your site, otherwise, the redirect won't work as expected. Be mindful of any typos or missing elements like a trailing slash. Next, you'll enter the new URL. This is the URL where you want to send visitors instead. Think of it as the destination point. Like with the old URL, make sure there are no errors in this field so everything works seamlessly. Wix offers different types of redirects, but by default, they use a 301 redirect. This tells search engines that your content has permanently moved from the old URL to the new one. It's the recommended type of redirect for most situations, as it helps maintain your SEO rankings for the moved page. However, if you're making a temporary change, a 302 redirect might be more appropriate. Once you've entered both URLs and ensured that everything looks good, there's typically a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of this form. Clicking this will add the redirect to your list. Keep in mind that changes might not take effect immediately. It can take a little time for the update to propagate. Make sure to test your new redirect. You can do this by entering the old URL into your browser and confirming that it correctly takes you to the new page. If something doesn't work, double-check the URLs you entered. Also, remember that any cached data in your browser may sometimes cause issues, so clear the cache if needed. That's it. You've successfully created a URL redirect in Wix. This simple step can greatly enhance your site's user experience and maintain the integrity of your SEO strategy. I hope this was helpful, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your website.